Hi everyone, I present to you the first video in the series on how to assemble a drone. Let's unpack the box with the Volador frame and assemble it in this series. So what do we have in the box? Simple and informative drawing with dimensioning of all fasteners. Battery anti-slip pads. Motor wire protectors. Flyfish battery strap to sizes. TPU 3D printed parts. The kit comes with all the parts you need. But I printed out another non-factory mount. For mounting SMA antennas on the O3 air unit. CNC camera mount, left and right parts. Large package with all necessary bolts and screws. TPU GoPro camera mount. And finally, our carbon frame package. We got some interesting parts, isn't it? Now let's start assembling our drone. Firstly, let's install the silicone logo in our bottom plate. Well done! Prepare your M312mm and M316mm screws. You'll also need M3 washers. Install the 8 screws and washers in their places. Turn over the bottom plate. Prepare the arms. We begin to install arms. You won't be able to make a mistake if you have X type of frame. If you have a DC frame type, you need to be more careful as the arms will be different. Find your keystone. Keystone is very important in frame design. It aligns all arms relative to each other. We'll set it up at the center of all arms. Now let's take our middle plate. Set it up. The press nuts must be on top. Install carefully. Inspect the illustration in the instructions to avoid incorrect installation. The rear of the middle plate must match the rear of the bottom plate. Looks like a drone already, doesn't it? Take a 2mm hex screwdriver and tighten all the screws well crosswise. It is important to tighten all parts well to avoid vibration problems in the future. You will need a good quality screwdriver to avoid damaging the screws. Looks pretty damn good. It's time to set standoffs. First, let's take for 23mm long. Screw them on. And tighten it well with a screwdriver, like the previous ones. Tightening all the screws once more. Ready. Two more carbon fiber parts. They cover the space behind the CNC mount of the camera and are also needed to reinforce the strength of the frame. Front bumper TPU must be installed before installing CNC camera mount. Installing CNC camera mount. Use M3/8mm screws to fasten it. Same on the other side. Screw hard, but don't damage the TPU. Some more TPU parts. Crossfire antenna mount and standoff dampers. Installing dampers is very easy. I don't think anything can go wrong. Now the last is standoffs and a mount for 2 SMA antennas. This time, you will need M2.59mm screws and 1.5mm hex screwdriver. I'll show you where to install crossfire antenna mount. But for now, I won't screw it on. In future series, we will install a crossfire receiver in this place. Final touches, let's find and install TPU arm guards. It is enough to hold them in your hands a little, and you will understand how to install them. Such a beautiful frame. Wait for new episodes in which we will install and solder electronics, set up a drone, and send it. Flyfish Volador version 2 has a built-in XT60 connector. In future episodes, we will solder the ESC board power wires to it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and like the video.